What if I told you that you could finish your entire week's planning, brainstorming, and project setup in under 30 minutes? And almost that is, nobody's doing it. Some people are, but I bet you don't know about this one. So today I'm going to show you exactly how Notion AI makes that possible. Make sure you stay tuned in.
Hey there, I have been sent by Kelvin from Incognito Future Lab, the place where we dive into the future of work, productivity, and tech. In this video, I'm excited to show you how this AI workspace works and why it's about to change the way we plan and create. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use it to get ahead. Hey there. Before we get started, a quick favor. If you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab. And while you're at it, drop a comment with a topic you'd like us to cover. Now, let's go. A few months back, I stumbled upon Notion and thought, just another productivity tool. But after testing it out, I dropped my entire week's tasks into Notion using its AI templates. What happened next blew my mind. I organized everything in under 30 minutes. This isn't just a task manager, it's a workflow revolution. Let me break it down for you step by step. First, create your workspace and drop in your rough ideas or to-do lists. Next, Notion AI analyzes everything, organizes your thoughts, and suggests templates to clean it up. You end up with a dashboard that literally thinks for you, and you might wonder, is it actually accurate? Honestly, it was faster and better than my manual setups. This isn't just about saving time, it's about changing how we think about work. Imagine finishing all your planning by Monday morning. Then you can actually create and grow. Analysts say tools like Notion will redefine productivity, moving from doing more to doing smarter. And if you're still doing everything manually, you're falling behind. The best part? This isn't just for big companies. It's for solo creators and freelancers too. Here's my take. The real advantage isn't the tool, but who adapts fastest. Tools like this level the playing field. What took a team a week can now be done solo in minutes. The difference between winning and losing is simple: speed and execution. If you're willing to evolve your workflow, you're going to win. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want my full Notion setup checklist, the link's in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to turn tools like this into real income streams, check out my next video. We hope you learned something new today. To stay ahead of the curve and get more exclusive content, be sure to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab. As always, we build our content around your interests, so leave your topic requests in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.